When content is scheduled to a canvas or wall, we call it publishing. In this module, we'll learn how to publish content to a canvas or a wall, how to compare schedules on the publish page, and how to use the advanced publishing features. Let's start by clicking Publish in the left sidebar to navigate to the Publish page. Click the checkbox for a canvas to view its schedule. You can use these back and forward arrows to see the schedule for previous or future days. To see the schedule for a specific date, click the current date to open the calendar selector. Select a date from the calendar. To go back to the current date, click Today. To view schedules for more than one canvas side by side, simply select both canvases and compare the schedules. Click the 6-dot icon to reorder your schedule by dragging and dropping. Now that we have some playlists and schedules created, we need to publish them to a specific canvas or group of canvases. Click New Event. Select the canvas or canvases that you want to publish the content or playlist to from the right sidebar. To preview an existing schedule, simply scroll down in the page to see what's currently playing on that canvas. I'm ready to replace this content, so I'm going to click Save and Publish. To edit events on the schedule, select the 3-dot icon for the target event. When you click the Edit button, a drawer will open on the right and you'll make your edits in there. You can change the item duration. Remember, it's always minutes and seconds. Or you can change your dates for the content to play. You can add or alternate content and even remove content. You can also remove the event completely in the drawer. In the Advanced Settings section of your event drawer, you will also be able to change the priority of the event. Let's say you have a new message that just came out from your head office and all stores need to make this announcement at the same time. You can set the event priority to high. When you make an event urgent, it immediately overrides your existing content, even high priority content. We sometimes refer to that as a domination. Save your changes. To preview an event, select the 3-dot icon. Select Preview. A new tab will open displaying the scheduled content. You can also publish assets to a canvas or canvases in a batch. Navigate to the Assets page from the left sidebar. Click the checkboxes for the items you want to publish. Click the Actions button located on the top right. Click Publish. Like the media we just uploaded, this content will run in 15-second intervals unless we modify the duration. To apply different durations to each item, click on the image or video to adjust the settings for that item. To apply the new duration to all items, click Apply to All Images. You can also change your start date or set a schedule expiration date for your batch content, the same way we did with our individual assets. Select your target canvas on the right sidebar, preview the schedule, or don't, and click Save and Publish. By default, content will be added to the schedule immediately and will run without expiration unless you specify the content start and expiry date as explained previously. Let's cover how to publish a URL. To publish a URL, select your target canvas and select the Plus New Event button. Click on the URL option. Click the Enter URL field and type in the URL to be displayed. The URL should be in the format http://www.url. I'm going to publish the Videra URL. Click Publish. If you need to edit a URL, you can do this from the scheduling flow. Click the edit icon and make your URL adjustments. Select the checkmark to save the update. Just like all other media, your URL will be scheduled with a 15-second duration. You can change this the same way you do with all other assets. Type your new duration into the field and click outside of the field to save it. You would use the same calendar and clock functions as we've used previously to adjust your start and expiry dates. When you're done all that, select Save and Publish. You can publish playlists using the same approach. Navigate to the Playlists page from the left sidebar. Click the arrow icon for the playlist you want to schedule. By default, all items in the playlist will play each time the playlist is passed on the Canvas schedule. However, you can choose to limit the number of items played per pass. In this scenario, the Canvas will play the specified number of items each time the playlist is scheduled. For instance, if you define 3 items per pass for a playlist containing 6 items, the Canvas will play items 1 through 3 on the first pass. It will continue with the schedule, playing items 4 through 6 on the second pass, items 1 through 3 on the third pass, and so forth. Click the Items per Pass field. Type the number of items you want to play and click out of the field to save. By default, the playlist will be added to the schedule immediately and will run without expiration. However, you can specify a start date and time and an expiration date and time, just like all of the other assets that we have scheduled.